Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love YouTube, and right now we're going to be teaching you guys how to make stretchy slime. Okay, so the super stretchy slime. Now, oh, I already knew it was super stretchy, but yeah, we're going to show you guys how to make super stretchy slime, but without how to make super stretchy slime without shaving cream or saline solution. Yay. Yay, 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 yay. Okay. But the things you will be needing is your old slime, which this is old. You will be needing your old slime, which that doesn't really count that much, because you're gonna basically make an old slime into a new slime. So yeah, your old slime, it doesn't even look like slime anymore. It's just like so sticky. Your sticky old slime and a glue stick. So yeah. So first, you're gonna be wanting to get your glue stick. You're gonna be getting your glue stick and just scratching it off there a little bit. Okay. Scratching it. Scratch off the glue. Scratch it a little bit more off. I want more slime. Actually, okay, yeah. So,
alright, come on, Bella. I have to give you the Fred broke yours.
Okay, so the clump of glue over there. And the more slime that you add is the less stretchier it gets. So if you add like a tiny bit of slime, it will be really stretchy. So yeah. So I'm gonna get like this much. Just add it in. Just like an inch. Not an inch, a centimeter. Okay. So after that, you want to just be kneading it and 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 kneading it. I just added it together. Okay. And if you accidentally put like a lot of slime in it, you could just take the glue stick again and put it in. Because so it's more stretchier. And you want it to be stretchy. But I know that's different. I think that's different with like glue, like actual liquid glue. But they're not the same. Now, they're not the same when I make this tutorial. Slime tutorial. I'm gonna call it slime tutorial. Yeah. So slime. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm just gonna keep on squishing this till the end of the day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below you that I don't get. And I love YouTube shirt with my signature on it. So yeah, bye.